Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a VR for Disco Dolly, and she's having a challenge giveaway, which I found on Instagram. So I will have her YouTube video linked below, as well as her Instagram linked below. So I just want to show you what I'm going to send her. So her giveaway, she's just asking for an embellishment box of any size and a memory dex. And forgive me for the background noise. I am videotaping during the day, and that which can be very loud, so this is as quiet as it's gonna get. So here is my embellishment box that I made her. There it is, and it is a miniature one. So these are what I made her. So let's go ahead and get into it. And so what I'm including here are some wire wrap beads, some wire wrapped, some charms, as well as some of these bow beads, which I found on Amazon. Thank you to Lori Crafting for creating for fun. And then right here, I just did some wrapped, not wrapped, but bead dangles. So there's different colors in there. And so that is it. So this is just a little pocket, and I stitched some seam binding around it, and then just added these layers right here. So the back is plain, and I will put my information there. So that is the bead box, or the bead box, the embellishment box. So next is the memory dex. You guys seen this one already. So I did do a video on it, and I will have it linked below. And so I'm just including some beads in here. And these are miniature beads because the larger bead was making it too bulky. So I just put just a tiny little bag of more wrapped beads. That's one. And then next I'm sending her some embellishments. So these are the some flags that I made her recently. And so I just made her 3 flag embellishments right here. So these are also made with the Marigold collection. So hopefully she enjoys these and likes them. I did lots of layering on that. Next is the last is I'm including some of these rosettes. So I made her some rosettes, and we will be packing all of this up as soon as I'm done. So this is everything, you guys. Hopefully you go check her out. Her name is Cynthia, and her handle is Disco Dolly. I will have her link below, as well as on the icon above. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.